Wangsin, Maki, Pagren, Baas, and Waitama. Ekland points over God, and now Mucho Boyan Kistan, the finish hard. The boys got the way, the boys travel well, and he wins.